Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about tech and all things related to tech. Today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to use Salesforce CRM to manage your customer relationship, sales pipeline, and so much more. Whether you're new to Salesforce or need a refresher, this video is the one for you, and let's get started. For a brief introduction, Salesforce is one of the most popular and powerful customer relationship management tool on the market today. It helps businesses manage their customer interactions, sales, marketing campaigns, and supports all forms in one central hub. To get started, if you have not created an account yet, you can simply search for Salesforce on your browser and salesforce.com. That would be the website that we're going to use to create the account. Once you're on the landing page of the official website, you can click on try for free on the bottom left side of your screen. And with that, you'll be guided into another landing page where you can enter your credentials and proceed to create the account. Here, you're asked to fill your first name, last name, and job title. And there will be 3 consecutive pages of prompts to enable you to officially create the account. So let's go through the queries very fast and proceed to the next step. On the final page, you're going to be requested to enter the company's name, the amount of employees you have, the company language, and simply agree to the service agreement terms. And you can proceed to click on Start My Free Trial, and that will take you to the next step. Next up will be a verification email that Salesforce is going to send to your address. And once you confirm that and verify your account, you can proceed to the next step. The verification email is going to look like this. And as you can see, support@salesforce.com had sent it. And this is going to allow me to verify the account. So I'm going to click on verify account. And that's going to trigger a new tab where I will be requested to reset the password since Salesforce had not requested for a password to be set on the first steps. So by clicking on reset password, I will be able to create my own personalized password for the account and proceed. All right, once you've created your password and filled in an additional security question, you can proceed to click on change password, and this will change the password to the one that you just created. On the following pages, you're going to proceed to personalize your account. It's very essential to respond to these prompts as it will allow Salesforce to personalize your account and best suit your company or your business. First things first, let's go ahead and navigate the dashboard. Once you're logged into your Salesforce account, as you can see on the left side of your screen, you have different features by which you can access different information and also tackle different activities. These features include, firstly, the home feature. Second would be the contact list. This is where your contacts are going to be kept for you. Next up would be the accounts list. Next up would be the accounts feature, and this is where your accounts are going to be kept. Again, it's an information hub. Next up is sales. This component is where you're going to add and keep informations and contact details of your new leads or also existing leads. And the features go on. Last but not least, you have your accounts feature. This component is going to be available only for the people that are using the paid version, so we're not going to be able to access this tab. By navigating to the right top side of your screen, as you can see, you have different tools such as the guidance center, setting tool, and notifications, and finally your profile icon. By going ahead and accessing the guidance center, if you need some guidance starting up with this account, you would be able to find some information within this feature. And lastly, we have the search bar right on top. If you need any information, you can find it easily by searching in this bar within your account. That being said, let's dive into some of these features and see how we can add new contacts or new leads and also navigate through some analytical data. The first thing you need to do to use Salesforce for your business is to obviously add your contacts or your customers onto this platform. To do that, you can use the second tab. By clicking on contacts, you're able to see your contact dashboard. Over here, you have a button that says add contact in the center of the dashboard. Here you are able to add a singular contact by adding their details and clicking on save. For a more time efficient and for bulk import, you can click on import on the top side of your screen, and that will allow you to import in two ways. The first option would be to import a file, which would be a CSV file, and the second option is to sync it with a Google or Microsoft account. By doing this, you make the whole process of importing a lot of contact lists very easy. And it's as simple as clicking whichever is convenient and clicking next and following the step by step prompt to finalize your importing process. Same goes for organizing your leads and also adding contact informations of open leads. By clicking on the fourth tab, which is sales, you're able to access the leads tab. Here, same as on contacts, you can click add a lead on the center of your dashboard, and by adding the contact details or credentials of that company or that person and selecting save, you're able to add leads single by single. Next up, let's explore opportunities. Once you're done with adding your contacts and organizing your leads, you'd proceed to analyze your opportunities and how they're going. By selecting this, you would have the organized data of your opportunity name, account name, amount, close date, stage, or the status that it is in, and opportunity owner, which would be the person that is working on it. Going on forward, as you proceed within your business, you can navigate through these different features that are included within Salesforce to facilitate your business and sales and also organize your information to better utilize this platform. As you can see, you have a calendar view that allows you to tackle closing dates or different milestones within your business very effectively. And as your data grows within this platform, you would also have analytics that's going to support you to visualize all of your information. By clicking on analytics, which would be the last option from the list, you would be able to see a collections of sales and services, and also you can add different collections to be able to have a more organized analytical view. And that's a wrap. This is pretty much how you can get started to use Salesforce for your business. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.